Hi, are you wondering whether stories of great success in investing about wealth created through investing are exactly that stories? That this happens to very few people and the rest of us are in the desert chasing a mirage? Why do so many people fail to enjoy the great benefits of investing? That's because they face multiple challenges in the form of lack of time, knowledge, experience, patience, discipline, and confidence. And then they are prone to fear, greed, and procrastination. And then they try to address these challenges by using research, tools, screeners, or advice. It's like buying an engine, steering, transmission, brakes, wheels, etc., and expecting to drive from one place to another. It doesn't work. What you need is all this and more working together as a system. A car that you can drive to reach your destination. That's the beauty of a system. It gets all the parts working together to accomplish the overall goal. So if you want a complete system that will ensure you invest successfully, watch this video. It's the best investment of your time that you'll ever make. Watch now. Thank you.